Hey guys, it's Rick at Snake Harley-Davidson. My featured bike today is this brand new, this is a brand new 2016 Road Glide. You can see it's got the stretch bags on it, 103 cubic inch motor, all the goodies. This has the upgraded ABS brakes and security. And it's brand new 16, 103 cubic inch motor, 6-speed tranny, electronic cruise control. It's ready to go. The only thing that can make this bike prettier is if it's sitting in your driveway or garage, or your butt's in the seat riding her down the road. As you can see, I'm outside, middle of January, 40-degree temps. Spring's coming early, my prediction. So let's be ready for the road. Now, the cool thing about this bike is our loss is your gain. New price, drum roll, right there, $22,458. All applicable fees plus. Doc fee, title, tax extra, but still, what a hell of a buy. Right there, man. Come in and make it yours. Great color, right there. Let's get ready for the year, man. I'm excited. Peace.